Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you want to earn free online earning, then subscribe to this channel. Let's start our today's tutorial. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin Satoshi from GrabBTC site. Guys, this is one of the best sites for free earning because this site gives you a lot of options by which you can earn free Bitcoin Satoshi. I already put the registration link in the video description, so check it out. For registration, you need to click on that link. And you need to put your username, email address, password, select your gender, choose your country, put your FaucetPay Bitcoin address here, also complete this captcha, okay, and click on this checkbox and then click on the registration button. But you must keep in mind that email confirmation is required. Please make sure your email address is correct. After completing the registration, you need to log in. For logging, you must put your username and password and complete this captcha. And click on the verify button and then click on the login button. So now we are on the main page of this site. Here you can see my dashboard. My account balance is 479 bits, which means 479 Satoshi. 1 bit is equal to 1 Satoshi, so keep that in mind. Now you can see here are a lot of options, different sections. Earn BTC offers, surveys. You can earn from all of these sections. In Earn BTC section there are a lot of options: faucet, short links, ads, jobs, achievements, mining. So you can earn from all of these sections. So just first option of faucet, click on that, okay, and scroll down. Here is the faucet, but unfortunately I already claimed it. For faucet claiming, it's quite simple. Here all you need to do is just complete the captcha, okay, and after completing the captcha, just click on the click and roll and win options. It's quite simple, and your winning will be according to this table. If your lucky number is this, your reward will be this, okay. It's quite simple. So nothing in the faucet claiming. The second option is the visit short links. So 24 short links are available right now, so check this out. Now here you can see all of these are short links. You need to just click on the visit button and complete it, and you can earn 4 bits. Different short links and the rewards are also different, so also check this. And after that, the third option is BTC ads. So I already completed some of BTC ads already, but I will show you one is remaining, okay. So now on this one is remaining, I will show you how to earn from that. Click on the visit button and the new window will be open, and you need to wait for 3 seconds because the timer was 3 seconds and the reward is 2 bits. So it's quite easy and quite simple, and you can earn good amount of free BTC. Okay, click on that. Does not belong in the ROM, so you need to click on the different image. So that's it. I earn 2 bits, okay. So this was actually the BTC ads section. They also provides different amount of jobs, different kind of jobs, and let me show you how you can earn. Here you can see these are the jobs, okay. Promote, install, download, install browser. This is the job title. It is its requirement, okay. So all you need to do is download and install the Brave browser and complete and fulfill their requirements, so you can earn 2000 bit, which is quite a good amount. All of these are the jobs. Here you can see make one video and publish it on the youtube.com, okay, and you can earn 300 bits. So it's easy and simple, and you can win good amount of free BTC. So also check these jobs and earn from it. Okay, so this was the option, and the other option is achievement. You can also earn from completing different achievements. You can see these are the requirement, and the reward is I already claimed 10 bits for completing 50 faucet claims. If I complete 100 faucet claim, I also earn 21 bits. Okay, so these are for the faucet claims. Here these are for the short links and offer walls. So actually this site is a heaven for free online earners. So I must say that you guys can visit this site and at least check it for one time at least. Okay, so these are the other option. This is the other option of CPU mining. You can also earn from CPU mining if your CPU is good and powerful, so you can earn also good amount from this section. Invest game, here is the investment game. Let me show you how you can earn. You can see it's depend upon the BTC price, and this game depends upon your prediction. If your prediction was right, so you can earn. You can put your bet value here. Okay, and after that, if you predict that the price will be up, so click on the call, and if you predict that the price will goes down, so click on the put options. And if your prediction was right, so you can earn according to your bet. This is all about the earn BTC sections. The second section is offer wall. You can also earn from offer wall. How you can earn? Just click on there. Okay, here are 21 different offer walls for you, different sites. Every offer wall has different requirement, so you need to complete that. After completing that, okay, you will get the credits. When you get the credits, you need to put your amount of credits here and then click on the exchange button. Okay, and you can exchange it to bits. Okay, and they will automatically in your account balance. Here they will put your credit when you complete exchange it to your bit. Okay, so they will put it here. So you can also earn from the offers. You can also do the service if you are in American country or European country, so you can also do this and earn quite good amount of free BTC. You guys can also participate in the lottery section. For the lottery, you need to buy the tickets. One ticket will cost you 10 bits, so you can also participate. So these are all the options by which you can earn. In the last, I will show you another method by which you can boost up your earning, and this is my referral and promo tools by affiliate marketing. Actually, you can earn also by making referrals. Here you can see invite your friends using your special affiliate URL and receive 12% of their faucet claims, 3% of their offer wall earning, and 1% of their short link earnings for life. So you need to do is just copy it and share it on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media websites, and promote this link. And anyone who makes your refer, they will increase your earning as well. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Guys, I need your support. Like my video and subscribe to also my channel, and I will make another good video for you next time. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye.